female students, students must understand the importance of academic honesty. Right, class, you may begin.
His voice, the way his eyebrow goes up, how to describe the emotion. If I could die for you, Paul, like the Lady of Shalott, floating down the river under his window, Lancelot, never knowing, saying only, she has a lovely face, the Lady of Shalott. In my bed at night, I look at the ceiling. Please make him love me, or notice me in class where I sit. Make him take me to school, loving embrace. When I look at the cracks of my ceiling, and how ugly everything is, I think it's unreal. My house and my parents. Real life is somewhere else. Moonlit terraces and tropical gardens, foreign cities and darkling woods.
Get on with it, everybody. You too, Alex. Sylvia. See that you have your test underway too. What do you think about when I take the test? I should be thinking about this probably 2 or 4 videos. Are you on official gobbledygook yet? Can you translate the following? Illustrative material, magazine covers, enriched curriculum, teaching who and who. Right again. Let's try. All evaluation of students should be predicted upon initial goals and wrangled expectations. That means if the boy shows up, pass it. Coming along fast. Hey, Barrett. Trouble. Yes, Joe? I have to be excused. We're in the middle of a test.
What's the answer, number 4?
No talking. Barrett! Do your best. Finish your test. I need to go to the bathroom. Couldn't you wait? No. Careful, Sylvia. You will need to be escorted. Get an escort. Monitor? Hall monitor. I'll be back in a few minutes. There's no escort. So what are you going to do? I'm going to trust you. Do I have your word that you won't get help and look up answers? Sure you teach. Does showing disrespect make you feel better, Joe? More important, a bigger person?
Some of these questions?
No talking. Your best. Just do your paper, Charles.
I'm not cheating, I'm left-handed.
As of 5 minutes ago?
Fine, I'll do it right-handed. Whatever you say, teach.
I shouldn't have let her go. Probably not. I can't take this system seriously. Can you get these absurdities? Lateness due to absence. Vaccine consent slips. I can beat yours any day. Please disregard the following.
Teachers, send those students who have failed to report to checkout because they have left the building to Mr. McCabe.
How do we send students who left the building? Give me a challenge.
I am sorry, Sylvia, but I am forced to cancel your library lesson on Greek mythology. Your students create a havoc. They have no respect for the printed page. The other day, I saw 2 of them checking out books indiscriminately.
What better way to show us?
But not only that, Sylvia, but they misplaced the golden age of reason and put To Kill a Mockingbird on the zoology shelf.
Miss Barrett, I plan to observe your classroom soon.
I see. Mr. Besser, there are only 11 copies of Romeo and Juliet in the book room.
Use Ivanhoe. They have 160 Ivanhoes.
I have some useful material for you, Miss Barrett. More personality profiles. Lou Martin exhibits inverted hostility through manic behavior patterns. Eddie Williams, her paranoia due to socioeconomic environmental factors.
What am I to do with that information?
My biggest concern, though, is Joe Ferroni, a dangerous situation, explosive. It's imperative to channel her libidino-aggressive impulses into socially acceptable attitudes.
How? What do you suggest?
Diet nutrition mixture to hot breakfast.
I'm not her mother.
Stay out of this. She cuts classes, disrupts others. Every stairway is clearly marked. An up stairway or a down stairway. She always goes opposite. You'll have to do something.
Miss Barrett, will you come here, please?
Continue with your tests, everybody.
How dare you Let her out of the room unescorted?
She had to go.
Unescorted.
There was no escort.
You should have waited.
The situation did not warrant waiting.
Her exam paper may be invalidated.
Why?
She may have been looking up answers.
She told me she wouldn't.
She told you.
Yes,
And you believed her.
I believed her.
Go back to your seat, young lady.
I believed her.
Girls in first seat, eyes on your own paper. Will you come here, please? This isn't a time or a place to explain to you the gravity of your position. You had explicit instructions, you disobeyed them. When Veroni finishes, put her paper aside.
She did not cheat.
They don't need your coddling. They need discipline. We have to punish them. Punish them for every infraction. Because if we don't, they'll get it later from a cop or a judge. Ever been in a juvenile court? Sure, we have to win their respect, but there's just one way: strict enforcement. There's a strong possibility your end of term rating will be an unsatisfactory. See what they're doing. Keep track of them.
When the bell rings, please bring your examination papers to my desk.
I finished early, Miss Barrett, and actually I do write left-handed sometimes.
Thank you, Charles.
I hope I did my best, Miss Barrett.
I'm sure you did, Luke.
I mixed up the papers. Thank you for sticking up for me.
It was a hard test, Miss Barrett, but that's not your fault.
Here's mine, Miss Barrett.
Now you have to grade them. Such a long day for you.
Gee, nice. Miss Barrett, everything's gonna be fine.
If it was up to me, I'd say you were very satisfactory.
Don't mind him, Miss Barrett.
Kiss ass.
Not as very well prepared. Thank you.
Maybe Hallmark isn't such a lousy writer. If you say so, I'll give him another chance.
It's optional, buddy.
In that case, I'll see.
You may fool them, but you don't fool me. You're even faker than the others because you put on this act. Being an adult, you know how, pretending you give a damn. Just who do you think you're kidding? Anything else, Joe? Nothing else. Nothing. Too bad I can't believe you, that's all.
It's from Sylvia. She says that she's beginning to think that she isn't communicating with anyone. Well, you better communicate with Maddie. How are you going to respond to her open position email at Willowdale? Tell me about Willowdale.
It's a small suburban college. Maddie says that they have trees in the windows and they sit in leather chairs and sip coffee.
Miss Barrett,
Yes, Dr. Clark?
it has come to my attention that due to lackness on your part, one of our students is under suspicion of cheating. This can have a demoralizing and corrupting effect, and I find your actions upsetting and disturbing.
Yes, Dr. Clark.
Incidentally, in looking over your record, I see a note from the payroll department about a salary overpayment of $42.75 for last June. That overpayment should have been taken care of long ago.
I wasn't here last June. I didn't start.
Sylvia, is there any reason for not applying to Willowdale?
No reason
Except what?
except I like high school kids. No one forced me to teach it. This was my decision, and in spite of everything, I have to keep trying.
You feel your reach should exceed your grasp.
Miss Barrett, I have to go. I'll call tomorrow after 8.
Love, Sylvia. She was supposed to call tonight. I wonder what happened.
Miss Barrett, I need your help.
What's happened?
I did something so stupid, I could die.
What is it?
The letter
What letter?
to Mr. Barringer.
I will sit down. You sent a letter to Mr. Barrington?
You have to get it back. I mean,
I
anybody.
can't do that.
It's room 309 on his desk. There was no one around, so I left it on his desk.
Just go get it back.
I'm afraid. I mean, what if he's there? What if he's read it?
What was in that letter?
It was a huge
There you are. I received your letter.
Yes,
I want to talk to you about this letter.
you do?
I'd like to see you privately.
See me? Privately?
Excuse us, please.
Yes, Mr. Paul. You want me to talk to you about my letter?
To make a few corrections,
Corrections.
you use a series of dots instead of punctuation. Let's see. Dear Mr. Behringer, last Sunday I took the subway to your stop, insert comma. Having looked it up on your time card, ... I hope you don't mind the presumption, if that's misspelled. I walked back and forth across the street from your house, insert comma. Back and forth, insert comma. And my heart throbbing with this love I bear for you, ... I'm throbbing with a cliche. I think of you all the time, ... I pray to be worthy of you, and if ever you need me to die for you, I would gladly do so, ... I feel so deeply the truth and beauty of cliches, don't need to capitalize. But I have to speak out this love I feel, ... There's a repetition here and change it tense along with...
What did you do?
I handled the letter the only way possible,
How?
as a composition.
Oh no.
Yes. What does a neurotic adolescent know about love?
Probably much more than you know about a nuclear physicist marooned in Kamchatka. To whom it may concern. I understand that there is a January opening at Littleton Academy, and it is for this reason that I am writing to you. That I am writing to you. I currently hold a license in English at the New York Sylvia, do you know what the commotion is about outside? What commotion? Something's going on.
Miss Barrett, have you seen Mr. Behringer?
He left just a moment ago.
Where to?
No idea.
If he comes back, tell him to call the office immediately.
I don't expect to. A license in English from the New York City Secondary Academy and my current teaching.
Please send that health card for Alice Blake immediately. Oh, do you have any accident report forms on all out?
No, I don't. What's happened?
All teachers and students will remain in their rooms disregarding the bells until further notice. Lessons are to proceed as usual with no reference to the incident. Teachers are to discourage morbid curiosity.
What incident, Mr. McCabe?
Such behavior is completely atypical for a girl with such a stable personality profile. But I suppose there are factors beyond our control.
The office needs you to fill out this emergency form.
I don't know anything about an
All
emergency.
you have to do, check 1. Parent or guardian reached, not reached. By phone, by email. Opposite parent or guardian of fill in Alice Blake. And then after, we regret to inform you, fill in...
Fill in what? Tell me.
Don't you know?
Was that the police or?
Probably the ambulance. To take Alice Blake to the hospital. She fell out a window. Now, the office needs you to fill out this form. Please check 1. Parent or guardian reached, not reached. By phone, by email.